What is cuticle? The cuticle of the insect body is a rigid outer covering that serves as the exoskeleton of insects. It is made primarily of chitin, a tough and flexible polysaccharide, and is often further reinforced with proteins and other materials. The cuticle plays several important roles in various living systems of the insect body. Protection. The cuticle provides physical protection to the insect body against mechanical damage, abrasion, and predation. It forms a barrier that shields the underlying tissues and organs from external environmental factors such as UV radiation, pathogens, and chemicals. Support and shape. The cuticle provides structural support and maintains the shape of the insect body. It gives the insect its characteristic form and rigidity, allowing it to maintain its shape and resist deformation during movement and other activities. Locomotion. The cuticle serves as an attachment site for muscles, allowing insects to move and perform various activities such as walking, flying, and swimming. The muscles are anchored to the inner surface of the cuticle, and contraction of the muscles causes movement of the attached cuticle, resulting in locomotion. Desiccation resistance. The cuticle plays a crucial role in preventing excessive water loss from the insect body, helping insects to survive in diverse environments. It acts as a barrier that minimizes water loss through evaporation, thus helping insects to conserve water and avoid desiccation. Molting. The cuticle is periodically shed and replaced through a process called molting or ecdysis, allowing insects to grow and develop. Molting is a complex process in which the old cuticle is shed, and a new, larger cuticle is formed underneath. The cuticle acts as a protective layer during molting, and the new cuticle provides increased size and flexibility for the growing insect. Sensory functions. The cuticle contains specialized sensory structures such as sensilla, which are involved in detecting various stimuli from the environment, including touch, temperature, humidity, and chemical cues. Sensilla are typically associated with sensory neurons that transmit information to the insect's nervous system, allowing it to perceive and respond to its environment. Thanks for watching.